to be doing a Stomper craft. And all you need for this beautiful Stomper craft is one of these, there's a special place where you can get these. I have no clue, but you need this. You need like the papers. You need this. You need this. You need this. You need this. And well, you have to do every single one of them. You need some glue. You need one of these guys, and of course, you need 2 tissue boxes, and also a string, and also some string. Yes, a piece of string. Not like an elastic string. I don't know how to call it, but like the type of string that like just pushes. And I don't know how to. First thing, first up, you don't really need all of these things, but you don't need all of these things right now. You don't really need all these now. Bye-bye. You just have to cut out every single one of these. And that is going to take a really long time. Okay, so I'm just going to cut one of these. You have to cut out every single one of these, and then everything is going to be wonderful. Okay, so now, so for the mask, see, I'm a mask. I cut every single thing out, and we don't have like those special elastic things, those elastic things that I told you about in the start. So we just took one of these, so we just took a normal string, and then we will poke it through this tiny hole you can see right here, and right here, tiny hole, and I'm going to tie you up again, it's supposed to, and come on. Come on, get through. Ta-da! Oh, please. Okay, we're going to glue this guy right there, and then glue another one right here, another one right there, and another one right there at the back. You understand? We have 4 of these, and then after we're gonna glue this right here. And another one here, another one here, and another one here. Then after, I'm gonna glue this one at the top, on the top, and then we're gonna glue this one at the bottom. I don't want at the bottom. Okay, now let's do that. Boom, 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 boom. Oops. Boing, 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 boing. Hey, wait, boing, and then boing, and then boing, and then, come on, boing. Yeah! So cool! Oh. Dun 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 dun. Oops. Dun 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 dun. Come on. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. One side. Now we're gonna do the second side. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is a long thing. Okay. This is a really long thing. Okay. Let's do some art. Dun 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 dun. Okay, good. Wonderful. Ooh! Nope. Nope. Okay, good. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, that's good. Dun 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 dun. do 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 do. Let's dance. Guys, let's dance around. Oh. Really, no, I think I measured it correctly. I'm not sure, but let's just hope so. We're going to press it down and see if I did it correctly or not. And, well, I hope that I did it correctly. Or if I don't, well, yeah. Let's flip it. Yes! Yes, I did it! I measured correctly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, now where's my stick? Here's my glue stick, and I'm going to be doing it. Oops! The foot, or 1 foot. And we're gonna finish. Okay. I need to do it correctly. I need the placement to be correctly. And yeah! Let me just do a little bit of sitting. Oh no, okay, come on. So here's a final it's not final creation, but like, this is 1 foot. Dun, 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 dun. The bottom, the side. Here's from the side, here's from the back, here's the front, and here's from the bottom, and here. Yeah, we are now going to be making the 2nd foot, and after I'm going to be making not making, but tying him up, and then putting, measuring my head, and then tying him up, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the final creation. Now I made the 2nd leg right here. See the 2nd leg I made right here. Really, really good. And here's the front, here's the side, here's the other side, here's the back, here's the top, and here's because we're gonna be measuring it and putting it on and tying it up. So here's the final creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye-bye.